Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on spam check on Viber. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on our settings icon here. That's going to take us to our settings. As you can see here we have multiple options. So we're going to go ahead and select privacy. Now we're going to scroll down, and as you can see we have an option auto spam check. That means you're allowing Viber to check whether messages from unknown senders contain spam. For example, if you don't have someone in your contact list and they're sending you spam messages, if you turn it on, Viber will automatically check if they're spam, and if they are, it will decline them. So we're gonna go ahead and tap here. Just by tapping on it, we're turning it on. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.